Hey everyone, I'm Josh Allen. I'm from Houston, Texas. I came out here to Las Vegas to the Fabulous 4 photography workshops, a 2-day event. Of the last 2 days we've been out here, and we've gotten so much information and seen 4 of the fabulous photographers that instructed this whole thing, show us their different styles and give us perspective on that there's more than one way to get something done and still come out fantastic. So they did a photography contest of each one doing a photo in the bathroom, and we got to see 4 different takes from these different photographers and how they could shoot the same scene with the same models, and each one comes out different, and it was just amazing.
If you want to learn and understand more about Flash, you have to do it. You have to come here in Vegas and do it.
The 4 instructors here poured their creativity, shared with us. It was an open book type of classroom. We got hands-on experience, we got classroom experience. Had a great time, going to take home a lot of information. If you need a workshop, this is the one to go to.
Learned a lot of creative techniques. I think with their 4 different styles, it's like iron sharpens iron, and it was a wonderful learning experience, and look forward to attending another one.